What is up everyone, this is Baba Chandra here, welcome to my channel. So lately I was thinking of vlogging a lot in my channel, so which includes a little bit of more expense. I do not think of investing more on the cameras than cameras. I already have a Gopro Hero 7, which is an excellent camera, has a very good stability. You can trust completely on it and go wherever you want. You will be on the range, you will be in the viewfinder, and you will be able to take great photos and videos as well. So for which you need to buy a couple of accessories, to enhance the audio and the video as well. Out of the box, the audio is definitely not that great. It is decent enough. I've tried a couple of times, so for which I had to buy a few things online. The first and the foremost thing, the GoPro requires it does not have an audio jack, so we need to buy a 3.5 mm audio adapter for GoPro, and so I wanted to buy a very good mic. Most of them suggested me to go with the Rode Video Micro, so which is an excellent. Most of the vloggers use this particular mic, which does not require any battery or external source, for powering it on. So it directly works from the GoPro. And to use both of these, I need to buy a casing. So for which I bought Ulanzi V2 casing for this. So this is how it looks. In real, this is how it looks. So this is the casing. There is a cold shoe mount here, and there is a place to put the audio mic adapter, so which will be placing here like this, and you need to place the GoPro inside the casing and slide. So this is done with the GoPro. So now you need to put the adapter in the GoPro, something like this, and the Rode mic looks something like this. So this turns out to be very expensive, but then it's really good. It's a unidirectional mic. So mic also comes with a holder, so you need to put this inside. Done. And then this is actually a audio input TRS connector. So there are two types of connector. One is TRS and one is TRRS. TRRS is the one that you get in your phone option, 3.5 mm jack. So that is TRRS. So this is TRS. So this goes into this. Now you're done with your setup. You're done with the casing. It looks really bulky, but then I just want to use this camera for everything because it's very handy to carry everywhere. Whenever I don't need the mic, I have a very small camera to carry. So just to carry around casually, that I don't intend on recording anything, I carry this casing that I got. It's silicone casing, which cost me 1500 rupees. But then very, very handy. You can strap it around your neck and then use it, something like this. Very handy. And so once you bought this casing, you will definitely need some kind of a selfie stick or something. So for which I bought online. This selfie stick costed me around 900 something. So this has a lot of functionalities. So this also has a tripod at the end. You can keep it somewhere like this. But if it's not in use, put it inside. Use it like a selfie stick, or use it like just a holder. So how it goes inside this is, put it in. So now you're good to go. You can vlog like a Kaisi. Nice that. So this is my vlogging setup. This is how it looks. And if you're outside in the outdoors and there are too much of wind noises, you can definitely go with this, something called as a dead cat in the mic. Just plug it in. So it looks much bulkier now. So this is how it looks. and there is not much. I've not invested much on this. So anyway, the GoPro Hero 7 was already there with me, and just the investment was on this extra accessories that is very much mandatory. And just to mention, I have also bought lavalier microphone in case if I'm not carrying the GoPro Hero 5 and then I'm just with the cell phone, I can use this one. It also has got two types of connectors. One is the TRRS, that is by default, and TRS is the optional that you can connect as an input for your DSLR or GoPros. So this, apart from all of this, I also have invested in DJI Spark. About the DJI Spark, I'll make a separate video about that. As of now, so I am good to go with the vlogging. So far I was using GoPro and then the phone, but then now I'll be using the GoPro completely. I was using the GoPro Hero 5, now I'll be using the GoPro Hero 7 for most of my vlogs. If there is something that needs enhancement or you have any suggestion, please comment down below. And thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.